Hello friends, once again welcome to the Learning Aid by Onnesha Bonik. Today's vlog is on a very beautiful Indian festival. Schools generally asked to write such paragraph or make a speech on Indian festival. As you can see, it's about Ratha Yatra, the festival of chariots, you may also call this. Before getting into it, have your subscription, at least take it to 1000 and press the bell icon to get notified about all my uploads. Chalo, let's get started with today's topic. The festival of India, Ratha Yatra, or the festival of chariots. Ratha Yatra, also referred to as Chariot Festival, celebrated every year to commemorate the glory of Lord Jagannath. It is held on the second day of Shukla Paksha of the Ashar month, that is June or July, as per Gregorian calendar. Ratha Yatra is typically a journey that involves a public procession with a chariot with deities Jagannath, Vishnu Avatar, Balabhadra, his elder brother, Subhadra, his sister, and Sudarshana Chakra, his weapon. The festival was originated in Puri in the Indian state of Odisha. Ratha in Odia means chariot and Yatra means journey. According to mythology, Lord Krishna would live in Puri during Kali Yuga. The festival is particularly observed in Odisha, West Bengal, Gujarat, Jharkhand and other East Indian states. Other world famous Ratha Yatras are the Mahesh and ISKCON Rathas on Bengal. On the day of Ratha Yatra, thousands of devotees from across the nation and world join the majestic journey to pull the chariot of Lord Jagannath. The pulling of chariot is believed to bring prosperity and happiness in the person's life. At Puri's Trio Ratha Yatra, the three divine chariots are highly decorated to give a sense of devotion. There is a tradition in which deities travel from Puri Jagannath temple to Sri Gundicheri Devi's temple, where they stay for 9 days. On the way, here I think it's understandable enough, but then I'm pointing out each and every word. On the way back, the three chariots halt at the Mausima temple, where they are offered Poda Pitha, a kind of baked cake. Number of rituals are performed from the day of Ratha Yatra till the deities start their return journey. A rich cultural harmony of the nation is reflected in the Ratha Yatra festival. So friends, that's all for today. Take care. Keep subscribing. Bye bye.